Once that music starts, it's totally different. There's no turning back. Even if you're ready to fall over and die, which is normally how I feel before I go on stage. But then you're on stage and you get like this burst of like energy. It's so awesome.
For the past few years, I've been interested in burlesque, and some other people that I knew were randomly thinking about it.
Well, we all kind of like, it's just a bunch of us like hanging out and decided that we were going to start a burlesque troupe.
One of the other members started having meetings at our house. She was like, well, we're all talking about it. Why don't we just get together and make it real?
Actually, the first time that we met for burlesque, I'm like, well, what is it? So we actually sat down and we just watched a bunch of videos, and I remember the first video we watched was like this beautiful, curvaceous woman. She's like stuffing money in her mouth, just being like disgustingly funny and like weird, and she was having a blast and everyone loved it, and I was just like, oh, we have to do this.
I don't think that burlesque and stripping are the same, and that the only way and that they're the same is that we take our clothes off, but I think burlesque has a lot more
kind of like self-expression plus, being creative and being sexy and funny all in one. It's different.
It's very much about women too. Celebrating that a woman can like feel good about being in her own skin.
It's rewarding to be in a group of 6 women that didn't know each other to come together and create these amazing ideas and these great acts. To go from who we are in the non-burlesque world to going into the burlesque world. It's nice to kind of let that side out. It's like a wild side.